Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Django in Action, written by Christopher Trudeau.
Django is a high-level Python web framework that enables the rapid development of secure and maintainable websites. Built by experienced developers, it reduces the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without reinventing the wheel. Its open-source status fosters a strong community and ongoing enhancements, making it suitable for small and large projects. Django consists of three main parts: URL-to-view mapping, database interaction abstraction, and an HTML templating system. When a user visits a URL, Django maps it to a view, which generates content, often HTML, and sends it back to the user's browser via the Web Server Gateway Interface, WSGI. Views are central to Django projects, generating responses based on URL mappings and often interacting with databases through Django's Object Relational Mapping, ORM, system. The templating engine allows for reusable HTML templates, maintaining consistent page structures. Django follows the Model View Controller, MVC, architectural pattern, mapping URLs to views that handle logic and data presentation. Views query models, database tables, and use templates to render HTML, enabling dynamic content generation based on user input or database queries. Dynamic websites require data managed through databases. Django's ORM abstracts database interactions, making it easy to create, read, update, and delete data without direct database interaction. It supports multiple databases, including PostgreSQL, MySQL, and SQLite, and can be extended to others. Django's templating engine facilitates the reuse of HTML components, ensuring consistent page structures. Templates can include tags and filters for conditional rendering and data formatting, managing repetitive content like navigation headers. Django is designed for multi-user applications, offering tools for user authentication and authorization. User identities are managed through the ORM, with views for login, password management, and user administration. The Django admin interface provides web-based management of database content, including user accounts. Django is suitable for content management systems, blogs, e-commerce sites, content repositories, document management systems, and utility sites. It supports multi-user and multilingual sites and can build static page sites with tools like Django Distill. It supports both server-side rendering and single-page applications, SPAs. Compared to Flask, Django offers a more comprehensive set of tools out of the box, simplifying the creation of complex applications. To help you learn Django, the book introduces Riffmates, a musician-seeking musician's personal site. This project explores fundamental Django components, including tools and third-party libraries, offering hands-on practice in constructing Django applications. Happy web coding!
Get this book at Manning.com